here we are doing cold pasteurization using lime. Here we have something new, lime pasteurization. We have sawdust and we have mixed lime 6 grams in 4 liters of water. And we are pasteurizing for 24 hours. So this one here, we are going to use sawdust alone. These ones here, we want to mix the sawdust with cotton husks. After 24 hours, water was drained out of the sawdust, as you can see. As overview, you still press to remove more water so that we limit the use of the cloth and touching it.
Yeah, I mean, we can
Yeah, you squeeze more so that we limit the use of the cloth. I could not imagine. Yeah, squeeze more.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Hmm?
I think you're right, yeah.
Squeeze more. Yeah, squeeze more. You're trying to break it down.
So that it's not okay.
Yeah. So there the sawdust has been drained, eh?
Perfectly well.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't need to teach that. By professionals.
By draining professionals, eh?
Training professionals, yeah.
Eh?
So even the training needs the professionalism.
This is real thinking. Loic told me he would think about it. Hmm? Now I'm asking, can we reuse that water? No?
I don't think so.
Draining the sawdust.
As I say, I think as much as possible, try and use fresh ingredients as much as you can.
Miga amaizi gahwere mukimu.
Wanongotawo. Tugende maaso.
Ojjamu amazzi osigaze sawdust.
Naawe odeta kale kakati. Kale kandale.
Ndeka kuteekamu oluwoya.
So inoculating the bugs with the spawn. Yeah. That's good. Inoculation of the mushroom bugs with the spawn and then yes, Hallelujah, Siva. That is mixing it, covering to make sure it is properly mixed.
Here we are. Time everything has been well marked, eh? Yeah.